between authorities and citizens. First responders can use social media to issue updates, request assistance, and provide instructions to those affected by the disaster. This streamlined communication improves coordination, enables faster response times, and ensures that resources are allocated efficiently. 8. Monitoring and assessing damage. Social media's ubiquity and real-time nature also make it a valuable tool for monitoring and assessing the extent of damage caused by a disaster. Through photo and video sharing, individuals can document the aftermath and share visual evidence of destruction. This visual data can be invaluable to emergency management agencies in understanding the scale of the disaster, prioritizing response efforts, and initiating the recovery process. Social media's ability to capture and share visual content helps provide a comprehensive view of the impact of the disaster. 9. Public awareness and education. Another significant role of social media in disaster response is its power to raise public awareness and educate individuals on preparedness measures. 10. International aid and support. Social media's global reach enables it to connect individuals and organizations across borders, facilitating international aid and support during disasters. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter serve as channels for raising funds, organizing donation drives, and coordinating relief efforts on a global scale. The ability to mobilize resources and support from all corners of the world through social media significantly increases the overall capacity to respond to disasters effectively. 11. Improving emergency response strategies. The vast amount of data generated on social media during disasters can be harnessed to improve emergency response strategies. Through data analysis and sentiment tracking, emergency management agencies can gain insights into public perceptions, concerns, and needs. This information can inform future response plans, enable more targeted assistance, and enhance community engagement in disaster management efforts. Social media analytics present opportunities for continuous learning and improvement in emergency response practices. 12. Harnessing artificial intelligence. In recent years, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, with social media has opened up new possibilities for disaster response. AI tools can analyze social media data in real time, flagging relevant posts, identifying patterns, and providing actionable insights for emergency responders. Chatbots also play a role in disaster response by providing instant information, answering queries, and offering support to affected individuals. The combination of social media and AI technologies adds another layer of efficiency and effectiveness to disaster response strategies. 13. Addressing misinformation and fake news. While social media provides a platform for disseminating information during disasters, it also poses a challenge in terms of misinformation and fake news. During crisis situations, false information can spread rapidly, causing panic and hindering response efforts. To address this issue, social media platforms must prioritize measures to combat fake news, implement fact-checking processes, and promote reliable sources of information. Collaboration between platforms, authorities, and fact-checking organizations can help mitigate the spread of misinformation and ensure that accurate information reaches those in need. 14. Cultural sensitivity and language barriers. Another consideration in utilizing social media for disaster response is the importance of cultural sensitivity and addressing language barriers. In diverse communities, different cultural norms and languages may impact how information is perceived and received. To ensure effective communication, Social media platforms should strive to provide multilingual support, translation services, and culturally sensitive content. This inclusive approach helps reach a wider audience and ensures that no one is left behind during critical times. 15. Ethical use of user data. With the extensive data generated on social media platforms, there is a need for ethical use and protection of user data in disaster response. Authorities and organizations must adhere to privacy regulations and ensure that user data is used responsibly and securely. Transparent data practices, informed consent, and clear guidelines on data usage are essential to maintain trust with users and respect their privacy rights.